Open your mouth and close your eyes. Here comes a nice surprise. Skittity-dum and skittity-doo. I got some spinach for all of you. Yeah. Popeye, Peepeye, Popeye, and Popeye.
But we hate spinach.
Huh? You gotta eat your spinach if you wants to be strong like your great Uncle Hercules.
Hercules, our uncle, he was strong. He was great. Did he get that way from the spinach he ate?
Certainly. It's a hysterical fact. I'll tell you the story how it happened. Once upon a time, a long time ago, in a distant land far away, there lived the strongest man in the world, and the people's best friend, Hercules. One day, while Hercules was riding along in his chariot, he saw a baby boy fall off a tree. Jumping out of his chariot, he ran to the boy to see what happened. Now, so's he can help the boydie, he has to get strength. So, he takes a piece of strong garlic and sniffs it. And with his strength, he pushed and pushed and pushed the big tree into the earth. Hercules was awful strong, but very tender.
It was garlic that made him strong. Where does the spinach part belong?
Don't come to conclusions. You ain't heard everything yet. Like I was saying, one day, a big, bull-headed bully come to Hercules' neighborhood.
So, Hercules think it him strongest man on earth. In my hands, he feel like dirt. Fight!
Grab it!
Help it!
Help it!
Play it for thy life! Hercules, I challenge thee.
I accept it. So Hercules accepted the big bully's challenge to feats of strength.
Top this, sport.
Gee, Uncle Popeye, it still wasn't spinach what made him win.
Don't interrupt me. I ain't finished yet. So, mounting two mountings, the men challenged each other in a tug of war.
Get it ready. Set it. Go! The garlic. I'll fix that for good.
I'll fixeth thee and how. Mine's straight. Good.
One good blow and thou art through.
Spinach, a strange weed this be. What restoreth my vitality?
How come you got strength without garlic?
Better than garlic is spinach. So, Hercules, knock the big bully for a row of ash cans. So, kiddies, that's why you has to eat your spinach. Huh?
Ice cream is hot stuff.
You said it, sport.